back here on Mike's Lincoln Mark V. No, it's a 78. And this new carb here, well, this reman, which we've had to swap in our goodies here. I'm just sorry, a little tired, a little finicky. This carb is from a 75. Look, D5. Interesting. Very interesting. Not a big deal, but still. Yeah, we had to bring a little stepper motor over because it also is the bracket for our boing boing for our kickdown. Yeah, I call it a boing boing. What are you gonna do about it? So this is pretty much ready to go. I do need to put a few vacuum caps on in places where there were no vacuum ports on this old scuzzy mess here. But not a big deal because all the emission stuff is gone off of that car. So quick, easy, painless.